Friends, the way you conduct yourself or dress reflects a part of your personality. Therefore, it is very important to be well groomed. म्हणजेच तुम्ही स्वतःला कसे कॅरी करता, जसे की तुमचे ड्रेसिंग सेन्स असेल किंवा तुमची राहणीमान असेल, ह्यावरून तुमच्या समोरची व्यक्ती तुमची पर्सनॅलिटी जज करते. सो डिटेक सोल्युशन सोलापूर is coming with soft skill lecture which is based on this thing only, and the topic name is personality grooming म्हणजेच व्यक्तिमत्व सौंदर्य. In this lecture we are going to focus on the following objectives. The first one is personality, next is what is grooming, next what is personality grooming, reasons for personal grooming, personality grooming essentials, grooming tips for men, and the last one is grooming tips for women. Personality म्हणजेच व्यक्तिमत्व. Personality can be defined as organized set of characteristics possessed by a person that determine one's persona. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक व्यक्ती जन्मतः वेगळी आणि विशेष आहे. प्रत्येकातच एक वेगळी खासियत आहे जिच्यामुळे आपण इतरांपेक्षा वेगळे असतो. हाच वेगळेपणा ठरवतो आपण कोण आहोत आणि एखाद्या परिस्थितीत कसे वागतो, आणि हेच ठरवते आपले व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणजेच आपली पर्सनॅलिटी. व्हॉट इज ग्रूमिंग? It is the process of making yourself look near and attractive. The things which you do to make yourself and your appearance tidy and pleasant. In short सांगायचे झालं तर grooming is related to how you carry yourself or how you dress up, and grooming is all about your appearances. What is personality grooming? Personality grooming means to improve one's outer and inner self to bring about a positive change to life. Each individual has a distinct persona that can be developed, polished and refined. म्हणजेच जसं की मी आधी सांगितलंय, प्रत्येकात एक वेगळेपणा आहे आणि तो वेगळेपणा पॉलिश्ड आणि रिफाइंड करून आपल्याला आपलं व्यक्तिमत्व बदलायचं आहे, म्हणजेच ते सुधारायचं आहे. रीजन्स फॉर पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग. आपल्याला स्वतःला अधिक चांगले बनवण्याची, स्वतःचे व्यक्तिमत्व वाढवण्याची म्हणजेच बदलण्याची गरज का आहे याची काही कारणे आपण आता पाहूयात. त्यातलं पहिलं रीजन आहे बूस्टिंग वन्स कॉन्फिडन्स. नेक्स्ट इज इम्प्रूविंग कम्युनिकेशन, लँग्वेज स्पीकिंग ॲबिलिटीज, वाइडनिंग वन स्कोप ऑफ नॉलेज, developing certain hobbies or skills, adding style and grace to the one-way look, talks, walks and overall understand oneself with positivity, liveliness and peace. The next part is very important aspect of personality grooming, that is your appearance. Your appearance influences the opinions of everyone around you. Clothes and manners do not make the man, but when he is made, they greatly improve his appearance. Your professionalism, intelligence, and the trust people form in you is mainly due to your appearance. Next is also very important part of personality grooming, that is importance of formal dressing. Formal dressing is important because it leads to following virtues. When you are well dressed or when you are in formal dressing, it indicates you are in a disciplined, value of organization, feeling part of professional entity, survival among competitors. Impact on society. आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्त्वाचा आपण वावरणाऱ्या वातावरणात किंवा समाजावर काय परिणाम होतो हे आता पुढच्या पॉईंट्स थ्रू आपण बघूयात. फर्स्ट आहे क्रिएट्स फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन, कन्वेज युअर क्लिअर इमेज, अट्रॅक्टिव्हनेस, ट्रस्टवर्थीनेस, reliability. To improve your personality, some habits you have to maintain, that is nothing but personal grooming habits. In that, the first one is overall cleanliness. It includes bath or shower a day. Next is your hair. Hair should be washed at least twice in a week and hair combed and styled neatly. The next habit is your nails. Nails should be clean and not very much long. Next is teeth. Brush your teeth twice in a day to keep them clean. Next is your uniform and your attire. When you are wearing the uniform, it should be clean and it should be ironed or pressed. Next one is makeup. Merely applying layers of makeup will not make you look beautiful unless you are healthy from within. Drink lots of water and do take care of your diet for flawless skin. Now we will see some grooming tips for men. As shown in picture, social dress codes for men is there. First one is white tie, next is black tie, next get up with creative black tie, next get up of men with semi formal, next is business formal, business casual and smart casual. When you have or you are working with any organization, you have to prefer the middle three dress attire, that is creative black tie, semi formal and business formal. Don't prefer the other one, it not looks professional. Now the next tip for grooming men is shirts. As a rule, the simpler the better, means choose the simple shirts when you are working with any organization or to look professional. In that also, whenever you are going to choose the color for the shirt, generally prefer white, off white or blue or pale shirts. The next grooming tip is about trousers. Trousers should be dark one. Try to have at least one pair of black trouser. Black trouser is the professional one. इम्पॅक्ट ऑन सोसायटी. आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्त्वाचा आपण वावरणाऱ्या वातावरणात किंवा समाजावर काय परिणाम होतो हे आता पुढच्या पॉईंट्स थ्रू आपण बघूयात. फर्स्ट आहे क्रिएट्स फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन, कन्वेज युअर क्लिअर इमेज, अट्रॅक्टिव्हनेस, trustworthiness. Next and very important tip is about your shoes. Picture shows some do's and don'ts about the shoes when you are selecting them. The first tip is for shoes is wear a good pair of leather shoes. Generally prefer black or brown shoes. Shoes must be polished every day. Do not wear a shoes that looks casual one. Next tip about grooming men is their watches. Preferably wear leather strapped watches. If you wear metal strapped watch, make sure that it fits the wrist well. Means always use a leather strapped watches and in some cases if you prefer the metal one, then it should be fit to your wrist. Now we will focus on some grooming points or tips for women. The first thing is your dress up. You may wear salwar kameez or formal shirts and trousers like shown in the pictures. Preferably choose small prints and light color. Avoid sleeveless and tightened clothes. Shoes and sandals. The picture shows the do's and don'ts about your shoes and sandals. And the first thing about your shoes or sandals is wear a shoes with 1.5 inch heel are standard. You may wear a pair with a smaller heels or flat pair. Stick with black or brown pair. Be sure your shoes are polished when you are wearing that. Bags. Apart from your working bag, if you are carrying an additional bag, preferably carry a black or brown one as shown in the pictures. Accessories. Accessories which you are wearing are also very important for reflecting your personality. In that first one is earrings. As shown in the picture, there are do's and don'ts about your earrings. Whenever you are wearing the earrings in your workplace, then wear a small earrings as shown in the figure. Do not wear the hanging earrings. Next one is rings and the neck chain. As shown in the picture, keep the ring very simple and it is not chunky, and whatever neck chain you are wearing, that should be very small. And when you are going to your working place for or in a occasion, do not wear a ornamental or chunky jewelry even if it is any occasion in your work. Professional hairstyle. As shown in the picture, always wear a bun or a ponytail. Do not keep your hairs open when you are going to your working place. It is not a professional hairstyle. Next is also very important part of personality grooming, that is importance of formal dressing. Formal dressing is important because it leads to following virtues. When you are well dressed or when you are in formal dressing, it indicates you are in a disciplined value of organization.